Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can go ahead and change your chart type on Microsoft PowerPoint. So in the previous video I showed you all how you can go ahead and add a chart to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, but there may be cases where you want to go ahead and actually change your chart. So all you got to do if you want to go ahead and change your chart, just go ahead and select it by left clicking. Once you do that, you're going to get these two options available at the top of your ribbon. You're going to get chart design and format. So go ahead and select chart design. Once you do that, you're going to have a change chart type option. And from here, it's going to go ahead and show you which chart you have selected. And for us, we can go ahead and change the chart type right here. So let's go ahead and select a column. And once we select column, we actually have some different types of columns that we can select from. We have things like 3D columns, 3D stacked columns, and so on. So let's actually go ahead and do the clustered column and hit OK. All right, so we were able to actually change our chart type, and you can see it went ahead and reformatted great. There may be cases though where you select charts and you may have to mess with the data a little bit. If that's the case, while you still have your chart selected, you can come over here to edit data, and it should bring back up this view here where you can go ahead and make changes to your charts, and maybe you need to adjust the columns and the rows. But yeah, that is how you're actually able to change the chart types on PowerPoint.